Task number 18F. Open the file saved in task 18E. Edit the data entry form for student data to make it easier for students to enter their own data. So we have to do some modification in a task 18F. We are going to know how we can edit any data entry form. Okay, so what we are going to open a previous task, that is a task 18E. So here is a task 18E in which we have created two forms having name FRM student and FRM teachers, and we have already created two tables, that is a TABL students and TBL teachers. Okay, so here we are going to edit this form student. Okay, form student first, and then we are going to edit form teachers. Okay, so form student first I'm going to edit, so I'll open that form. Okay, so here is a form in which we can see the 188 number of records are here, and the FRM students is text which will display the name of the form here. Okay, we want to display this form with the specific heading. So here we want to add a heading like the data entry form for student, data entry form for student data. Okay, so this heading we are going to create. So we'll open here, and here I'm going to enter okay, just click over here, FRM student, in a design menu, home, view, and here is a design view. So here is a design view of a form students we can see, and instead of this FRM students we want to display we want to display here data entry form for student data. Okay, so I'm typing here data entry form for students data. Okay, this must be aligned at the center of the form, so I'm shifting the position of this particular text to the center. Okay, now we have to make the background bluish color and make the data this content color will be in a yellow color. So we'll select first the color should be yellow and the background color will be blue. Okay, so background color will be blue, so this is the blue color. Okay, now just below that we are going to enter another label, and in that label here we are going to enter a label now, external data design. Okay, here is the label. Click over here and drag drop. Okay, in this label again I'm drawing this label. Here I have to type the content, that is please enter details in a okay, please enter your details in the box below for your subject teachers, and please enter their 3-letter staff code. Okay, this content I have to display over here, and here we have to select this label. so that I can increase the size of this font. Okay, so yes, this is aligned at the center. Okay, the text is displayed here. Please enter your details in the below, in boxes below. For your subject teachers, please enter their 3-letter stub. Okay, here's some information we have to enter. The student ID is there. Okay, so for entering the student ID, I'll arrange this text content is properly, and here I have to display, please enter your student's ID number. Okay, so Control C, I'm typing here. Otherwise you can copy, you can write in text box a text file, and then you can copy it here. So here please enter your student's ID number. Then here you have to enter the first name of the students. Okay, align and arrange properly. Okay, and here I want to display that what is your first name. So Control C, here I'm entering the data, that is a Control P. Remove the previous content like student safe name is not required. Here same thing we have to do, align it properly, and right here Control P. Only surname you have to change. Here is a surname. And next is here we have to enter the teacher's name. Okay, here have to enter teacher's name, means who is subject teacher for English. Control C. The first we are going to ask for the English subject. Control V. Okay, then we are going to ask for mathematics, so arrange the properly, arrange this text box properly. Okay, now here you have to type that instead of English we can write here maths, and similarly we can type here science. Okay, so this things we have completed, but this arrange properly. All these, yes, all these boxes should be aligned. So here I'm going to align these boxes properly. Control Z. Here maths, and here I am adjusting the width. Okay, now if you execute is, or if you see the output of this, like here you can see how this data is displayed. Now please enter your students' information, and here the text is aligned properly. Here text aligned properly, and here data entry student, please enter the details of the subject teachers, and please enter the 3-letter stub. Okay, so this much we have completed. Okay, it should display like this. Okay, and so we can also apply the same thing for the next second form, that is the FRM teachers too. The same thing you have to do. just like we did in the first one. Okay, and you can save this for future reference by using task 18F. Okay, now here I'm going to save this file using task 18F. Okay, so this database is going to save by using file save as database. Yes, yes, and it will be saved having name task number is F18F. So this database is stored by using name task 18F. Okay, here is display of this form.